What's up guys, it's your girl Kim and I'm super excited to be coming to you with a special announcement. So over the past couple months I've been working on something super special for you, and it's something that you guys have been asking me for a very long time. Many times you guys have come to me and asked me for a specific color that I may have used on you as far as blush or eyeshadow, but most of the time it really comes down to one thing, and that is lipstick. You guys have seen me mix up numerous colors for you and you always ask me where you could buy it, but I can never really give you or tell you where to go because I always make it myself. So I have decided to launch a brand new baby, which is my company, and it's called Glamour and Grace. There are so many levels to Glamour and Grace, but this particular part is all about cosmetics. A couple months ago, I was asking you guys what your go-to colors are. A lot of you guys said nudes, some of you said pink, some of you said reds, and some of you said, I don't even wear lipstick. I just do a gloss. I wanted to make sure it was the right consistency. I wanted to make sure that it was beautiful colors. I wanted to make sure just overall that you guys would love it. Starting September 29th, I will be launching 4 pigmented lipsticks, 1 beautiful lip gloss that I know you guys will love, and 5 lip liners to pair them with. And just to give you guys a sneak peek into the colors, as you can see, there is a beautiful red tone, there's a mauve tone right here, there is a brown tone, and there is a pinky tone. And like I said, I couldn't forget the girls that don't do the lipstick, so we're coming out with a beautiful clear gloss. Not sticky, it's not super thick, but it does last you a long time. So I know that you all will love this too. And you also need these, some lip liners to go with it. More information will be coming out about all these items and more extremely soon. Make sure you guys go to Instagram and check out the new page for all these cosmetics, which is glamourandgrace.shop. I know that you guys will love this as much as I do. I poured so much energy into it, so much of my time, so much of me. Some of my clients, if I've had you recently without you probably knowing it, you've already worn some of these colors. And just hearing the feedback that you guys have given is amazing. So I'm incredibly excited, I am scared, I am nervous, but above anything, I'm excited for you guys to try it. Again, go to glamourandgrace.shop on Instagram and Facebook. Your support throughout this whole period of time of me being in the beauty industry, you guys have supported me, and I truly appreciate you very much. I've been doing makeup for almost 10 years now, and you know, I've grown in this industry. I do a lot of things, lash extensions, facials, all of those things, but at the end of the day, it all comes back to where I originally started, and that's makeup. So I know that you guys will love it. I can't wait to see you guys wearing these colors and these glosses and these lip liners. Like, I cannot wait. I can't wait for you to see everything that I've done. Everything that you guys will see, I have done personally. Everything from the photography to the swatches to the makeup, everything is all me. And I'm just so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. I love you so much. Thank you so much for your support. It means more to me than you will ever know. But yes, go to glamourandgrace.shop and check it out. I love you.